How to remove background noise from audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here I have Adobe Premiere Pro open and I have my video and audio file in the timeline already. I'm going to go ahead and play this back for you guys so you can see just how bad the background noise is. So you guys can see it's really bad, and even once I start speaking, you can still hear it pretty clearly.
Here it's going to take us to the home interface.
The easy way to fix this is just to navigate to Essential Sound. In my case, it's up in the top right if I select this menu and click on Essential Sound. But if you guys are not able to find it and however you have your workspace laid out, go ahead and navigate to Window and make sure you have Essential Sound enabled. Now what I'm going to do is click on this clip right here. I'm going to go ahead and move this down a little bit and select Dialogue. And here I want to make sure repair is selected, and all I'm going to do is select reduce noise here, and the default value for this is going to be 5, so we'll leave it like that and go ahead and test out our audio. So you guys can see it's a lot better, but you can still hear it just a little bit. So what I'm going to do is fine tune my adjustment a little bit, and to do that I can just go back to reduce noise here and change this value to 8. And now we'll go ahead and test it out again, and I'll see if I'm happy with it.
Here it's going to take us to the home interface.
So now you can see my audio is completely repaired. But if that still doesn't fix your audio good enough, you can go back over here to Essential Sound, and you have a bunch of other options that you can choose from. Really, you just have to play around with all of these settings until you get the audio to where you want it. That's how to clean up your audio really fast and easy in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you guys run into any problems or have any questions, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.